I have a bone to pick with this clothing industry in India, and let me do that while I do my makeup. So I'll set some context before I start. I have a beach vacation coming up, and I was on a hunt to find some good beachwear. Every time I liked something, I just bookmarked it, wishlisted it, and did not check the availability. So later, when I was deciding on what to buy from the wish list, the moment I put the filter of XL, double XL, I was so disheartened, honestly. We do talk about body positivity and everything, but when something like this happens, it really bothers you. I'm not saying you should not be healthy. Trust me, everyone is trying, but there are problems, especially in women's body. So later on, I was like, okay, I will search for influencers who are of my body type and search for good beachwear, which I did. And I found a very beautiful maroonish beachwear. I really liked it. The size was available. I am not the conjuice type. I will spend on what I would like to wear. But now the thing is that that dress was made of polyester, and we all know what reputation polyester has, and it is basically plastic, right? That dress is something which I will only wear on the beach. Maybe I don't know the know-hows of this industry. Nothing, trust me, nothing can convince me to pay 6,500 for polyester. Cotton है तो फिर भी समझ में आता, but polyester, I really don't understand how this pricing is working in India. I'm just a girl who wants to wear good clothes. Why is it so expensive? Every time I go to parties, every time I go on vacation, every time I step out, or in general also when I'm buying some PJs or anything, if I'm doing any shopping, moment I go to any app, Myntra, Savannah, whatnot, put the filter of the size. Sometimes I just feel like they're doing some favor by keeping those clothes also. I'm very disheartened with the kind of designs available for this size is. I'm in a size XL, double XL, and I'm really not able to get any good pieces for the vacation. If you guys have any recommendations for beachwear, please let me know. Your girl is in need of some help. Of course, there are problems for everyone else. I'm just sharing a little piece of my heart. Okay, my makeup is looking a lot like I've put the whole highlighter on my face. So I'm just gonna put some setting powder as well. This will help. Do you see the difference? So this is the final look. If you have any recommendations, please do drop in the comments or just DM me. It will really help me. So yeah, bye.